Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today we're going to show a proof that 0.9999 with an infinite number of 9 equals 1. So I've already given a little proof of this in another video, so I advise you to watch. And here we are going to give a second proof of this equality. So let's get started. So first, let's rewrite this number u. Okay. So u equals 0.999, etc., with an infinite number of 9. Okay. Now let's multiply u by 10. So we have 10u equals 10 multiplied by 0.999 with an infinite number of 9. But as you already know, when we multiply, for example, let's say 1.5 by 10, okay, we move the point or the comma to the right. Okay, so it gives us 15 here. So this is 9.99 with an infinite number of 9. Okay. But this again can be rewritten 9 plus 0.999 with an infinite number of 9 equals 9 plus u. Okay. So now we have a simple equation that we can resolve. So we have 10u equals 9 plus u. So by subtracting u to both sides of the equation, we have 9u equals 9. Okay, and then again, by dividing both sides of the equation by 9, we have u equals 9 divided by 9 equals 1. So here it is, u, so 0.99999 with an infinite number of 9 equals 1. So thanks for watching and see you later. Bye bye.